Yeah, good evening or good afternoon or whatever. Thank God for today. Today is the day that the Lord has made for every one of us. And also the day that we are rejoicing because one of our daughters graduated from high school. Just give glory to the Lord for his blessing and his knowledge to give to our daughter. So thank you for everything that the Lord done for every one of us in here. But right now, I'm standing in front of you guys because my granddaughter, Malama, is in the service. She wanna be here for Isaac's graduation, but she can't. But on behalf of Malama's dad and the kids and my daughter Sadie and my siblings, we're gonna do the dance for Isaac tonight. We open our dance for $500. All of you are here right now. Whatever money you have in your pocket, bring it all out here tonight. Go home with nothing. When you come in here, bring all your money out. Okay, music. Isaac, come out, you're gonna dance for your dance. Oh.